Hey guys, how you doing? It's Anthony Carr here, and it's the questions of the day. Queries submitted in droves to the broker, Anthony Carr. Here we go. Number one, must I have a buyer-broker agreement in place when a buyer prospect wants to visit an open house without me? So I'm assuming you've got a buyer prospect. They have not signed with you, and they're going to go see an open house or a property that's off market or something with another agent or somebody without that. Yeah, right now you just got a prospect. So to make sure you have an agreement with them that would be enforceable for compensation and working with them, you do need the buyer broker agreement in place before they go see the open house. Even though you're not there, you don't have a relationship with them except the fact that you're a prospect. Okay. Two, must I disclose defects discovered during a home inspection to other buyers? Must I disclose it? If it's a material fact or it's a latent defect, I would say yes. Material fact, hey, there's going to be a pig farm installed next door. Latent defect, the basement leaks tremendously during big thunderstorms. That's a latent defect. But other defects, I would say no. The home inspection is within that um, transaction. And if the next buyer wants to find out about what they need to find out about the home inspection, then they can get their own inspection. I don't see anything in there unless it's a latent or material fact that you would need to disclose anything because it's bad. Okay. Number three, does changing the finance deadline adversely affect my seller when we have auto extension in place? In the NVAR contract, you can select either I've got a deadline for financing to be completed by the buyer, and if they come to the deadline and they don't meet it, then that's it. Their financing contingency is over. The other option in that contract is if they don't meet it, it will extend until closing. And then if you have extension, the seller can enforce that deadline by giving a notice to the buyer, hey, either put up or shut up. Either you void the contract or you give me or you move forward with a approval letter. So if you change the financing deadline, what you've done with even though you have an extension in place is you've delayed how long the seller has before that seller can give notice to say put up or shut up. So that would be the adverse effect, is that now that seller is getting closer to closing and has to wait before he or she can give notice to make the buyer put up or shut up, meaning void or stay in play. Okay, I think that's it for the day. Send your questions of the day to my email, anthony.carr@kw.com. And remember, this is my channel. I'd love you to like this, share it with an agent that might need the help. Also, if you would, please subscribe to my channel because it helps my channel and gives me bragging rights. Thanks so much. Have a great day.